zaba zirishahi na zakasheshe obombe rwa Honorable Helen Nakimuli rwa leta hishengero kandi rwakira Right Honorable Speaker Anita Mong, Right Honorable Speaker Thomas Taebwa n'abandi banyishengero omusasi bwinji. Aharshamnana rwa leta mu ishengero nuko kutandika kumwinamira eri ahamuheru bari kumusibura nabwanyuma inganzi y'ahanga Robin Nabanja ya leta ekitenso okwikiriza abanyishengero kugamba ha mugenzi kandi mukuru w'empanura z'ishengero yeyikiriza omukugamba ko muhezi wa mukuru w'ihanga retired Major Jessica Lupo yasima omugenzi ahabo kukunda dini n'entunguka y'ihanga.
Of the late Honorable Helen Nakimuli. Madam Speaker, the Honorable Helen Nakimuli was a friend to all of us, was indeed a very active member of Parliament, whose actions were very visible in the committee work, very visible in the debates on this floor of Parliament, very visible on the ground. I visited Kalangala once and she was physically there to receive me. Diligently served the people of Uganda in different capacities, including as a community development officer of Kalangala district, local government, from 2013 to 2020, the Shadow Minister for Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries.
Minister Chris Baryomunsi nawe yahikomu kushitamoku kandi yaraganisa biza kuchondoza kumanya kisiro mnyishengero Nakimuli.
So I just want to sound out to Ugandans that even when we don't agree politically, even when we are different, but let's maintain dignity, let's respect each other, especially in times of death. Let's not wish anybody death. Let's not celebrate any person's death.
Abantu banyishengero basima omugenzi habo kundi ihanga kandi bashaba government okufahamagara g'abanya-Uganda bagumize ngari omukabi kamani.
Kuferwa omwana wawe eshaha nkeegi omwana obere yatandika kuba ekintu kukora ihanga buzima ari omwesimbu aina amagezi ari intelligent ari aho nobo kumureba kwa kugamba nakini wosima otukare basi nkazara buzima omwana akagenda omudakikemu no kufoka afiremu n'ecyo busasi bwingi
tukabanza twabugana hamwe umupira gwa Uganda Parliament kenezana na team ya Uganda Cranes ya kabiri ubene ya kashatu tuhereze kurahira na mushanga rugogo twaganira twahereze ko yanjurana twanywana ku rugogo Helen abaryo muntu otakubasa kumanya na Saidi.
Honorable Nakimuli Helen akafebiri 17 kwa kana aha Sunday ahirwaro rya Alexandria muri Kampala kandi nikigambwa ngu akagenda rukwevuga kuza kumushemeza bitararigire mu theater aferira ha myaka nanagumoyo bukuru kandi yasigo mwana omwe naja kuzikwa nyencha kare omurugwero district gasha kwa Jimmy Mhumza.